Hello everyone. So today's a session. There are the two topic that I will cover. So welcome to KTech Automation PLC training session. Today topic is a special bits. So today I will discuss about the special bit in S7-1200. Okay, so there are the number of bit that bit you can use directly in the PLC program. Okay, but we need to define. So I will let you know how we can define this bit and how we can use this bit and important of this bit. Okay, then date read, how we can read the date from the CPU. So you want to match the date with your in your system. So how we can read the date and how we can write the date. So everywhere time is not same. Okay, so in India there are the different time, at the same time in other country there are the different type. Okay, so we need to also adjust the time. So how we can date right. Okay, and how to use minutes and seconds. So if I want to use minute and second, okay, system minutes and system seconds, so how we can use this both. Okay, so this is the today's topic. So I will cover these topics, okay, one by one. So about the special bits, so this is the just introduction. So in S7 1200 PLC, okay, so here we need to define the bit. Okay, so about the special bit, the special bit always zero means always one. So m 0.0, so we need to define this bit. Okay, so how we can define this bit, I will show you. Okay, so always off means every time this bit will be off. Okay, never this bit will on. Okay, always on, this bit always on. First scan. So this first scan means this bit will on when first scan of the PLC means whenever goes to from stop to run mode, that time this bit will be on. Okay. Diagnostic status change. Okay, on when the diagnostic status change. Okay, so diagnostic status means CPU errors we can use for the use bit. Okay, clock memory 1 hertz. Okay, so 1 hertz clock memory, so place every second means 1 hertz clock pulse, every second it will be on. And clock memory 0.5 hertz means place every 0.5 second. Clock memory 2 hertz means 10.2 is place every 0.5 second, 2 hertz. Okay, and clock memory 10 means it plays every 0.1 second, 10 hertz. Okay, and the retentive memory then bits. Okay, so this bit we need to define, and you already know this is the input address and output address, memory data block and local data. Okay, and constant. Okay, so how we can use and how we can set this data. So directly I will explain in the software. Okay, so I already set the S7-1200 PLC. Okay, so this is my S7-1200 PLC. You can see here. Okay, 1214. Okay, so I am clicking on this. So you can go directly device and network. Otherwise, the drive device configuration is available. So this is the device configuration. So in this device configuration, here the one option is available. This is the properties. Okay. So in this property, we need to set the bits. Okay, so you can see here the number of options available. Okay, so general properties and propinate settings and okay, everything is available, but we need to set we need to set some uh, output. Okay, so it is available here, systems and clock memory. Okay, so this is the system and clock memory. Okay, so it is set here, and right now is online, so I'm going for the offline. Okay, so you you will have to go in systems and clock memory. Okay, and system on memory bits. Okay, so you need to enable this bit. Okay, so it is the starting address. So you can change the address. Right now is a 1. So 1 is first cycle. You can see first cycle is m percentage m1.0 is the first scan. Diagnostic status change is a percentage m1.1 diagnostic status update. Okay, always 1 is high and always 0 is a low. But if you want to change this bit, you can easily change. Okay, so it will set accordingly. Okay, okay, so it's set 100.0, 100.1, 100.2 and 100.t. Okay, so it is depend on you in which bits you want to start. Okay, and then same for the clock memory. Okay, so clock memory also you can change. Okay, and right now the clock memory enable, so by default it will be disable. Okay, you need to enable from the here. Okay, and here so you can set your starting bit here. Okay, so just I want to start my bit from the 200, so it will be start from the 200s. Okay, so it start from the 200. Okay, 200 clock pulse, 500 clock pulse. So okay, so this bit we can directly use in the our PLC without any problem. Okay, so how we can use, I'll show you how we can use this bit. Okay, so uh, just save and compile this program. So if any error occurs, so it will show here. Okay, so now I am adding one network here. Okay, so just I want to add this bit, always on bit property. Okay, so these two bit I will be used. Okay, this is first scan. So it is difficult to here because it is in simulation mode due to this. Okay, so first cycle and diagnostics channel and always one I will show you. So I'm 100.2. Okay, so I am using the 100.2 m 100.2. Okay, so this is 100 always true. Okay, so this bit always true. Okay, so I can use this m0.0 because it is free now. Okay, and then one more bit is always false. M100 dot, no, one, no, sorry, 3. Okay, always false. So this bit M0 dot 1. Okay, then after this is the this bit. Sorry, every time we need to go. Sorry. Okay, so I use 2-bit system memory bit and right now the clock memory bits. Okay, we will use the clock memory bit also. Okay, so if I want to use this 1 hertz clock pulse, so M200.5. Okay, M200.5, M200.5. This is my one clock pulse. Okay, M0.2. Okay, let's see. Okay, simulation. Okay, simulation is Simulation is problem, so it's not working properly. Okay, start again. Okay, so right now I am selected S7-1200, so the simulation is different. So I'm easy simulation is S7-200, so every time I'm using the S7-200. Okay, start again. I already turn on the simulation because due to save the time, but unfortunately simulation goes to off. Okay, okay, done. Great. Okay, so just connect. Okay, so S1200 simulation is quite different. Okay, so you can see here, this is always true. Okay, so and this is always false. Okay, and this is 1 second clock pulse. Okay, 1 hertz clock pulse. So different clock pulses is available. We already checked, so we can take not an issue. Okay, so M200.1 dot one M200 dot, okay, 200.1 is clock 5 hertz. Okay, 0 is a 10 hertz. Okay, so this 0, then M200.1. Okay, M200.3. So as per your requirement, you can use this bit. M0.3. Okay, so up at up counter you can use this. You can make the seconds using the counter, using the increment instruction. Okay, so you can see here, this is the 10 hertz clock pulse. Okay, this is the 5 hertz, and this is the 2 hertz, and this is the 1 hertz clock pulse. Okay, so this is about the clock pulse. Now now the second content is our how to read the date and time. Okay, how we can read the date and time. Okay, so for that I am deleting this. Okay, okay, so now I am adding one block. Okay, so this is the DB block. I am using the data block. Okay, and this is for the read time block. Okay, this is my and I am adding here. Why this stuck? Okay, read date. Okay, so this is my DB is read date. Okay, this is my DB. Okay, so I want to read first whatever the time set in my CPU, that time I want to read. So read time. Okay, in this read time, here I will select the data type is DTL. So DTL is cover all the things, means year, month, day, weekend, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, everything is in DTL data type. Okay, so this is my read read tag, and I here I set the data type is DTL. So everything will be covered in this data types. Okay, so it will be defined automatically. Now just to save this one and compile this. Okay, compile this, and this I will be used directly. Okay, so in my main OB, how we can read the date? So for that, in instruction here, basic instruction almost our cover. So here the read time of day. Okay, so I want to read time. Okay, so I will use the RD underscore SYS, means read time of day. Okay, so here this is the read value, middle return value. So if any error occurs, so in return value you can check. Okay, so right now in this I am using the word MW10. Okay, not an issue. Okay, but here I will use this string. Okay, so read data and read time. That's it only. Okay, that's it only. So whatever the CPU system date, that date will be directly read in this database. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so need to download this program. Okay, so just I write this. Okay, I write this program. Okay, so this is my date read instruction. So this date read instruction we can check here. Okay, so you can see here the 20265 is month, the 29 is day, 6 is weekday, 18, 51, 56, this is the second. Okay, so this is my CPU time. Okay, real time clock time. Okay, real time clock time. So this time you can also directly use in the program. For example, you can using the compare instruction, you can use this directly time and date. So just I show you. So if I want to compare my minutes and time or any hours data, so it will be easy to compare with real time clock. Okay, so read, just use this DB read date. Okay, so which data you want to read, so select this data. So I want to use the seconds. Okay, so here I'm selecting seconds. Okay, so after 30 second output should be on. Okay, so I am taking 13.0 like this. Okay, and just download it. Okay, so this is the real time clock data. Okay, you can see here 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, then 30. Okay, so now on. Okay, so in this way you can use the real-time clock data from this. Okay, from the read data. Okay, and this is the instruction. So read instruction. Okay, so it will be read from the CPU. Okay, so now you want to change this data. Okay, so so if some machine is manufacturing in America or in Australia and India, so whenever the machine will export, so time will be different at according to country. So we need to set the date and time. Okay, so if you want to write the date or you want to change the date, so therefore the another instruction. Okay, so first I will be create the one another DB. Okay, so this DB I am giving the name is set time. Set time. Okay, and set time same what I will use set time. Okay, and here I will select the data type is DLT, DL, DTL, sorry, DTL. Okay, so in DTL everything will be covered. Okay, year, month, day, weekend, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, everything. Okay, so just save and compile. Okay, so after that this block I will use in data date write instruction. Okay, how we can use the date write instruction? So it is available in the extension instruction. Okay, so this is the basic instruction and here the extended instruction. Okay, so in extended instruction is WRSYST. This is the date write instruction. Okay, so whenever you set the date, so it will be write automatically in your CPU. Okay, here I will use this DB. Okay, set time dot set time, that's it only. Okay, no dot required. Okay, and here any error occurred, so we can check in this register. So I'm giving the register address is MW14. Okay, okay, so then save project and download this. Okay, and this download. Okay, oh actually I need to add one more thing here, M20.0. Okay, so this is the enable bit. So whenever I will enable this bit, then after date will write. Okay, so my set time is, so in the set time I'm going to online. Okay, so you can see the set time is 197011 something like. Okay, and right now my read time is okay, already set because the instruction is executed, so that. Okay, so before first time instruction is already executed, so that time. Okay, so now I want to set this set time according to the my laptop. Okay, according to countries wise. Okay, so the year is 2026. Okay, so this is my year. Okay, and this month is fifth month. Okay, then today day is 29 and this is a 6 5 sorry 5. Okay, and hours, so 18 minutes 43 second, so I'm adding second. Okay, 0, no problem. Okay, this also 0. Okay, so this is my set time. Okay, so now we can check also in the read time. So right now the value is not set. Okay, so whenever I will execute this instruction write instruction, thereafter time will and date will set. Okay, so just I'm executing this. Okay, modify to 1. Okay, so now we can check in the read data. Okay, so set this year 2026, month is 5, 29, day 6, 18, 43, 0. Okay, ah, 1. Okay, okay, same value is returning. Okay, so do not write continuously, otherwise what will be happen, this value will write. Okay, so just I am turning off this. Okay, so now you can see. So what happened? So whenever I will turn on this instruction, execute this bits. Okay, so it will be continuously write the data. Okay, so now this continuous writing the data in CPU. Okay, which data is writing? This data is writing. Okay, now in read, so same value it is reading. Okay, so the value is only 1, second is only 1, it will be not increased. Okay, so we need to execute only one. Okay, now read is off, so now you can see. Okay, so this is from my side, this is the date read and date write instruction. Okay, so you can use in your project easily. Okay, so for more videos, please like and comment. I need your what your motivation. Okay, so whenever you write like video or comment any comments, so it will be positive for me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video. So if you have any topic to want you want to learn, so please comment, so I will be make video accordingly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Meet in the next video. We will meet